Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today we'll see how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. Go to your favorite browser. There you type Visual Visual Studio Visual Studio Code download. Studio Code download. Okay. Now you open the first one. So now it is asking for whether the system is Mac or Linux or Windows 10 or 11. So mine is Windows 10 11 and I'll prepare this video for Windows 11. So click on this. So it will be getting downloaded within few seconds. Okay. So thanks for downloading the VS Code. Download not started. Try if download is not getting started, you will click on this. But for my case, download is started. You can see VS Code is getting downloaded now. Now download is done, so we'll click on this and now it will open that VS Code is opening. Now I need to accept the agreement, then click on next. Then it is asking for the path. You can give this path or change your path. Then next, then Visual Studio Code start as name, let it be there. So now you can click on this create desktop icon, add or open code action, display explore context menu. If you want, you can edit, not worry. Okay. So now click on next. So then it is asking for this destination of this start my Visual Studio. Okay, all is okay. Now click on install. So now it will start installing. It will take few seconds. Setup is in progress. So code.exe is getting installed now. Now it's done. Click on finish. Now it will launch the VS Code. You can see VS Code is launched. Now we'll create a new file. Okay, so now we'll create a new file, new text file, new file. Okay, so new text file or anything you can create text file. Then you just select a language. So you can go here and type HTML. Yeah, it's selected HTML language. Now click on this HTML. You can select HTML5. Now see, now it is done. Now you need to save it. Now go for file, save as. Save as. You can go to desktop and give a name. Okay, test.html. Okay. So now you can go and open the test.html. Now you can see the test.html is there here. Now click on this. Now it's asking to open always. Now see, this is the HTML file code. It is opened here. Okay. You can see this name of the document is document, and we have not given any kind of header or something. That's why no content is there. So now we saw in this video how to download Visual Studio Code, created a HTML file and run it in browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.